What it is, mofos? All right, what are we talking about today? Well, we're talking about context rot. I had a fantastic call with the builder of CloudCodeMasterclass.com, just a nice guy to Japan. And I was like, yo, man, what don't I know that I don't know? You're a developer. I'm just a guy that's vibe coding his life all day. And he was like, well, you should have this little status bar here to know where your context window is at. So I just would begin with Claude, and it's like already 25% of my context window is gone. I'm like, what is going on? Well, of course, I asked Claude to help me. So there's two things you should do. There's this, Claude. There's a thing called status, uh, status bar, status line. Um, so you can go ahead and like set up this status line. And I didn't do it like this. I just said, hey, I want to, I want to configure it. Here's what I sort of want to do. And so you can see I just started here in this repo. Now I have 83%. Before I was basically down 25%. And this thing is trying to remove um basically trying to remove context, my context window. So what you want to do is just say, hey, Claude Code, I want to have a status line that shows my remaining context in the window. Create this for me. And mine counts down. Some people want to count up. And what he was saying is like, if you get to 50% of context left, you basically only want to do things that are already in the plan. You don't want to invent new things. You want to basically say, give me a prompt for a new context window, and then that's when you're going to do clear, and it will reset the context window. But the other thing you should do is like, when you install this, you'll understand how much of your context window is just growing. Like it loads all the skills at the start of this. So you want to keep your context window as tight as possible. And by the way, this can change depending on what repo or folder that you're in. So here's your sort of hot tip of the day. Ask Claude to give you a status window, have it help come up with a plan. The other interesting thing that I learned is that there's all these sub-agents. You can determine what tools you want the sub-agent to use. Now, in this case, I said deploy 3 Opus sub-agents, the most expensive model. Now, it's going to cost me. I got to pay a little more for that. But I'm within my window here because this is a task that I want to make sure it gets right. Yeah, so creating right now, great. Hundreds of D entries optimized, designed for the plan. Amazing. So that's your little hot tip of the day. Have a beautiful day. 3 minutes or less. That was hot pocket material. Bye.